Hi, I'm Nick Clare, an assistant professor in the School of Geography at the University of Nottingham. I was Robbie's tutor for the 3 years while he was studying at the University of Nottingham, and so I got to know him really, really well. He was a truly exceptional student, but what stood out to me was how kind he was, how supportive he was of his friends, always helping them with their work. So as soon as Leslie approached me and to ask if I wanted to be involved with the first aid component of our world, I knew it was something that was for me. Every day I see firsthand how my students are really struggling with their mental health. And I know one of the big challenges they face is knowing how to talk to staff, but also to their friends. When I spoke to Robbie's friends earlier this year, one thing that came through very strongly was they didn't know how to support him. So this is something that I believe is incredibly important, and this is why I think a focus on mental health first aid is so valuable. I was lucky enough to do the full 3-day NUCO mental health first aid course in January of 2021, and this was funded by Our World and Leslie. It was such a fantastic opportunity and something that has really actually helped me with my own mental health. With this training then, the plan is to develop a series of student-specific sessions for a series of student ambassadors, and I'm going to be running these with JogSoc at the University of Nottingham. Training these students, they can then go and deliver that to their peers, a very, very bespoke and tailored student-specific mental health support. This way then we can really get some mental health first aid support out into the student body. But I also want to do more than this. I also want to convince my colleagues to undertake the training. This way they can all support students better, and we can also try and help each other. I'm recording this in the middle of lockdown, and one thing that's been clear is this has all forced us to reassess and think about things. So I'm really hopeful that some good can come out of this challenging time and this challenging situation. It's a real honour and a privilege to be working with Our World and Leslie, and I'm really, really hopeful that we can roll this model out to other departments in the University of Nottingham and ideally other universities beyond this.